For most users, the best approach is to install the binary version of Scikit-Learn using an official release from pypy.org, the Python package index. You can do so with the following steps. 1. Scikit-Learn requires Python 3, 6+. To check which version of Python you have installed, run the following command, Python 3 version. The output should be similar to Python 3, 8.2. If you have a valid Python version, you can run the following command to download and install a pre-built binary of Scikit-Learn, pip install Scikit-Learn. The following dependencies will be automatically installed along with Scikit-Learn A, NumPy 1.13, 3 plus B SciPy 0.19, 1 plus C joblib 0, 11 plus D threadpool CDL 2.0, 0 plus 3. Alternatively, if you already have Scikit-Learn and/or any of its dependencies are already installed, they can be updated as part of the installation by running the following command, pip install use Scikit-Learn. 4. You can verify your Scikit-Learn installation with the following command, python m pip show Scikit-Learn. The output should be similar to the display on screen. If you want to create plots and charts based on the data you use in Scikit-Learn, you may also want to consider installing matplotlib. Let's now discuss how to import Scikit-Learn in Python. Once Scikit-Learn is installed, you can start working with it. A Scikit-Learn script begins by importing the Scikit-Learn library, import Scikit-Learn. It's not necessary to import all of the Scikit-Learn library functions. Instead, import just the functions you need for your project. For example, to import the linear regression model, enter. From Scikit-Learn, import linear_model, or try. From Scikit-Learn, linear model import. Machine learning algorithms can be properly figured out using Scikit-Learn. Thank you. Please support us by subscribing. Bye.